Yo, yo, yo. So yesterday we were on Facebook Marketplace looking for cars. Wake up. So yesterday we were on Facebook Marketplace looking for cars, and we found one at Ron's. Well, yeah, we both did. What did he say? I'm doing you. Yeah, bought some new cars. Yeah, we found them. We found them on Facebook Marketplace. Said Ron had them, which I'm not surprised. We're gonna go buy them. I didn't know Roblox characters could fall so dramatically. I gotta play Crossy Road here. Sorry, I think oh yeah, this is my new whip. What's the password? Yo, we gotta go see Ron first. Buy cashier. Okay, okay. Alright, no one's here. Is Ron in here? Yo, Ron, you here? Damn. Anyway. Yep. Alright. So is this UI still broken? Hold up. This isn't part of the RP, I just need to figure it out. Yeah. Alright. New cars are back here. Wait, hold up. Interesting photo. Sorry, I seen a photo. Excuse me. It's a surprise. Yo. Yep, we just bought them today. They're a bit customized. But yeah. He said, oh, he did say this one has, like, underglow or something. Oh, in the, like, logo. Back? Yeah. I already crashed it. Oh, he didn't tell me he had a gas can. We're sitting in there for a while, so now we need to head over to the car wash. We're I don't know where he's going. Bro, I can't see my screen in one spot because it's on reflecting off of it. I'm also not paying attention. I better get on the right side of the road. Yo. Holy Jesus, bro. Slow down, slow down. At least we got insurance, cool. And there's a scratch on the carbon fiber. Yeah, he also did tell me that had, these awesome tires. Maybe we can blow them up today. Yo! Bro. What are you doing? My taillights look a bit broken. I mean, it was used car sale. We're cooking. You know, alright, they just built this car wash not too long ago. They've been working on it. Finally finished. And that stop sign's dead. We're gonna go full surface. If scratches may occur during service, please complete. So, not be guaranteed. Okay, whatever. I'm not reading that. We wanna go premium. I'm pretty sure we just relax. Sit back and relax. But you know, we're just gonna make our way through here because I don't have limited time before my recorder stops recording. I already broke it. Dude, I'm stuck. Awesome. Where's my... Interesting. It's my underglow. Yo, we got my vehicle. I'm trying to hurry this before the recorder stops, so I'm just gonna show you the new cars. You probably know the other ones because they're already there. We have new of these. Right, and I guess that's all for now. I'm gonna stop recording before it stops itself and it doesn't save. Alright, peace.